fix. I have this part from the irrigation system of my house, and it's unique. I can't find it anywhere. Can you guys help me?
Well, you're in luck. Here at BTM, we manufacture parts of all kinds.
Wow!
Let's find out how cool manufacturing is.
BTM Incorporated is a machining company that was started to produce custom and quality parts made in the United States. Services that are provided from BTM include milling, turning, custom material parts, and quality control. These services allow BTM to manufacture parts for multiple industries, customized for the company's wants and needs.
I'm David Henritze, Operations Manager of BTM Incorporated. If you're going to do this, you gotta study hard and you gotta learn everything you can and try to retain everything you can. It's important. If you put the work into it, you'll get the rewards out of it.
My name's Kyle Orner, job title is machinist. I mostly run an engine lathe. It's mostly manual. We have a digital readout. It's more or less used for like 1 or 2 piece repair job. Manufacturing is cool because it's something that we need in this country. There's a lot of people out there with skills that are needed.
My name's Leo Bott. I'm the CAD/CAM engineer for BTM. I draw up the parts to machine them. We sell parts of a product that vendor will come in for us to manufacture. A lot of it's for the pump industry, gas industry. To go to local Votech and start from there. I continue my education within the machining field, engineering field. Manufacturing is cool because I get to design parts, actually program them to see them being made into a physical part.
You can see BTM works hard to manufacture parts for their vendors. Employees have continued their careers and education for BTM to be the best local company they could be. I'm so glad we came to a company like BTM to fix my irrigation part.
Yeah, that's what's so cool about manufacturing.